Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Thursday edition of Fight Club, where we scan the Forex market for trades using the No Nonsense Forex method. So when we jump right into it today, we have the ECB interest rate decision, which is the European Central Bank's version of FOMC for the USD. So any EUR trades are going to be off limits today. It could be a bit of a mover. There's a few other red things around, but nothing that is on the watch list. Same again for my FX book. There is the ECB. These others that they are there, but they're not on our list, so we don't really need to worry too much about those. So let's jump in and have a look at. So we've got ECB rates. We'll have a look at our open positions first. So Swiss yen, let's have a look here. Jeez, it is still just hanging around that entry position. Nothing much really happening here, so we'll just let it sit there and look at the pound USD. Whoosh! Okay, so that is technically a loss for us. We are currently above the. Sorry, let's zoom in here. We currently at the baseline. We're within our sort of trading window here for closing before or for checking trades before the market closes. So if I'm making this decision manually, that would be closing above my baseline, which also means that that is an exit indication. So for me, I'm just going to have to close this and take the loss. It could easily drop down again, and you can see how high it actually did come during the day yesterday. So yeah, I mean, we're out of that. It's done, unfortunately. One of those things with the slow markets at the moment, we just have to bear with it. But we're trading that at low risk or half risk, but still not a great opportunity. So let us have a look. I had CAD Swiss on the watch list, and right. So I think I had this on there. We had some crosses here, and then we're sort of getting the volume down here on the TDFI. So we've had a bit of a ping up, and that could be a good one. Again, we're going to go in at half risk because in fact, I've just realized I've got Swiss trade on here as well. Technically that does still fall within our 2% on Swiss pairs. I'm going to give it a run, so we will jump into a sell on that. So at 1%, no longer on the watch list. Alright, let's have a quick scan through, see if we can see anything else worth taking today. So this is potentially on the watch list. It's another Swiss one though, so I'm definitely not going to jump straight into that now, but we are, we've crossed the base. I've got a cross on my C1. My C2 isn't there yet. Definitely getting some volume here, so keep an eye on it. Not for today though. Yeah, interesting. We're starting to get some pairs line up here. Just gonna bang through these quick. So we've got, this is for me this is technically a continuation trade. We've had a cross back here on my C2, which I also use for continuations, but I don't like it. I don't like it because you know, it's having trouble getting below this point at the moment. You can see these MAs are starting to curve out or flatten out, so this is a period of consolidation that I'm just going to avoid. Righto, so this one is a euro pound. I can't do it because we have ECB rates here, so I'm going to put it on the watch list, but not for today. So technically this is an actual perfect trade entry for me. We've got our close below a base, we've got a cross on C1, we've got a cross of the zero line for my C2, I've got volume on my V1, I've got volume on my V2. It's basically a good setup, so I would take this, but you know, got this here and that says no thank you for today, so we just have to move on. Technically we can just skim all these euro pairs because it's not going to happen. Jump down to pound pairs now and have a look. Yeah, so there's some interesting stuff going on, but the rules are keeping me out at the moment, so that is all I'm going to do for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you again tomorrow. Cheers.